host here. Welcome back. Today's the day that we've all been waiting for. Today is the day where I finally talk to you about investing. I know I've been promising that for weeks. But before I do, don't forget, click on that link below to the free PDF I created. It'll give you 3 key principles to financial freedom and make you feel more secure in your finances, and you can watch your money grow. You'll also get access to my weekly newsletter where I have more strategies and advice. Also, click on the notification tab above and you'll get notifications when I post my weekly videos. Okay, here we go, investing. This video is going to be about investing for beginners, people who have never invested before. It could be teens, people in their early 20s and 30s, people who are just scared of investing and are old fogies like me in their middle age and just have all their money in the savings account and never even thought about opening up an investment account. Okay, so where do you go to start learning about investing? What are the basics? The first place I would recommend you look is an investment company. There are lots of different investment companies out there. There's Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Vanguard, E-Trade, banks like Bank of America and Chase. They all have investment products. I happen to like Fidelity. The reason I like Fidelity is that my mom uses it. My mom opened my first account for me when I graduated from graduate school. So I'm going to share my screen here. I'm going to show you the different websites and how to navigate them a little bit so you can start looking at investing. Here's Fidelity. You can open an account really easily. They have planning, advice, research, lots of different places to look to find information. Vanguard, same thing. You have lots and lots of different informational pieces here, and even how to invest, how to choose investments, all that kind of stuff. Charles Schwab, same thing. Lots to look at here. And here's E-Trade. So you want to do some exploring first to find out what company you're really interested in using. You can always do a Google search and find out what people are saying about the best places to invest. I did a little bit of research and Fidelity got 5 stars, so I think I'm on the right track. But definitely take a look. People use different companies to invest with. You can open an account free. They don't really charge you fees usually to open an account, an investment account. There are different types of investment accounts. We're not going to get to different types of investment accounts today. An individual brokerage account is just a place where you can buy stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, that kind of thing. There are also retirement accounts. A lot of you maybe have a 401k or an IRA. That's a little bit different beyond the scope of our video today. But I am going to show you just where to look to find some basic information about some basic investment products. So what you want to do is you want to find the place called research. And you can research on fidelity.com without even opening an account. You can also do research on the Fidelity app. The Fidelity app works really well as well. So here are the different types of products. Today, we're just going to do mutual funds. That's a pretty easy place to start. Mutual funds are groups of stocks. Basically, the idea behind a mutual fund is you don't have to put all your eggs in one stock basket. That can be a little bit risky because stock prices can go up and down based on really random stuff that's happening. You probably just heard in the news that the Twitter Elon Musk deal is on hold and Twitter just tanked. So you might not want to invest in an individual stock unless you really know what you're doing. So mutual fund is a group of stocks. It's managed by people. People actually do some buying and selling and researching in these funds. And you can just go to the search tool here and you can put in some different types of categories and click on whether you want only Fidelity funds or funds picked from Fidelity or a minimum investment, different kind of management approaches. Just play around with this and see what comes up. What I like to do is I like to just go over here and pick a high Morningstar rating. That's kind of like reviews at Amazon. Returns high, that's means it's doing well. And expenses low, and we'll see what pops up. Oh, I'm also going to click this button that says minimum investment under $2,500 because who has that much money to invest anyway? Oh, look, we got 3 funds over here. Let's check it out. Okay. We have 3 different funds to look at, and we can see their performance. over year to date. But look, everything went down this year. Scary, right? Not really, because we're in it for the long haul. 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, life of the fund. If you click into the fund, you can see even more information about it. My mom really likes this Puritan fund, so I'm going to go with that one. This is like her favorite mutual fund of all time. I think it's because it's been around since before she was born, 1947. That's when it started. So you can see the risk here is medium, low expenses, high returns, 5-star rating. Over the past 10 years, it's earned 9.88%. That's better than the savings bonds. Remember, the savings bonds I calculated over the past 24 years I've had them have earned 5.5%. So even though now they're doing really well, over the long term, they might not do as well when inflation goes back down. Let's hope that's soon. Okay, so you can see some charts and graphs. You can see their expense ratio. That's pretty low. That's a good thing. Lots and lots to look at. So that's the basics of investing. Investment research is really, really, really important. And remember, you don't want to go out and just put all your money in one investment product. You absolutely want to diversify it. You put lots of different eggs in lots of different baskets. In the next few videos, I'm going to be explaining how that diversification works. But take a little time this week and look at the different firms, read a little bit about investment education, investment advice, how to invest, mutual funds, stocks, ETFs, and what those are all about. I'm going to explain a little bit more about all of those products in my next videos as well. Also, don't forget to click on the link below for that free PDF and the newsletter, and on the notification bell up top so you can get notifications for my weekly videos. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comments, put them in the comments. I love reading comments and I love answering questions, so feel free to do that. Bye.